Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to change the language in the Alibaba app. Whether you prefer English, Spanish, French, or another language, this video will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the My icon to open your profile. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the Settings icon. After that, select the Language option from the Settings menu. You will see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and choose the language you want to use. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking Yes. The app will now switch to your chosen language, and you can enjoy using Alibaba in the language that suits you best. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.